So, hello friends! Welcome back to another video. So, today we are going to learn MTF. What is MTF? So, it is middle term factor. We are going to learn to solve one sum of the middle term factor, or not sum solving, but we will learn at least the method to solve middle term factor. So, let's start. MS Panit. Paint. I say it's Panit, not paint. It's Panit. So let's start. Uh, so what is the term MTF? What is it? So in short words, it is middle middle term. Bad handwriting. 1 second. 1 second. Right. 1 second. Just 1 second. Middle term factor. So it is mostly on in algebra. So let's start with an easy sum. So first we'll get the formula known. So it is a multiply, sorry, a plus or minus, then b, then plus or minus c. So here the first step is that we do a multiplied by c. Then we will take out the factors of a multiplied by c. C. What we'll get the answer of A multiplied by C? Suppose A is 1 and C is 3. We will get 3. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3 only that. Factors. And now we go to the third step. The third step is that when we note down the factors, we should find a factor we should find a specific two factors which varies all or my subtraction comes to the middle number. So, like if A and C is A multiplied by C is 6. So, means 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So, what is the factors of 6? So, 1, 6. 1 and 6. So, and suppose the middle term is suppose the middle term is 5. So 1 minus 6 will become minus 5. So the middle term will be minus 5. Then we will take 1 minus 6. If it will be minus if it will be minus 1, then we will take 2 and 3. So like that we means check that addition, or wait 1 second, we check that plus or minus of B. Then fourth, instead of that number which is in between. So if we take between, it is B means 5. So we will write the expanded form means 5. So what will it is 6 and 1. So we will write like example A. Sorry, A. Oh, 1 second. A minus A minus A minus 5. A minus 5. Oh, sorry. There was some disturbance. This is A minus 6 plus 1. And then again write the last number, that is C plus C. Now comes the fifth step. The fifth step is that we will pair them up. See, A and 6, that we pair them. If we pair A and 6, the first two numbers we pair, and again the second two numbers we pair. In the first two numbers, what is common? We write summers in A and minus 6, 2 is common. We will write 2 outside, and A will be A, and minus 6 will become minus 3, as 2 3s are 6. So it will become bracket, and then for the second one we also see common example, 1 is common, then 1 is plus C. And the sixth step, in the sixth step we will take this outside the bracket number. Means, oh sorry, a minus 3. The main rule is that the number in the brackets here should always come, it will magically come equal. If it has come not, it has not come equal, means the number in these brackets, then the answer, our answer has something mistake. Then a plus a minus 3 it will come. So in the sixth step is that we will take 2 and plus l or minus l, whatever, put it into bracket, and the second bracket will be a minus 3. So these two brackets should compulsorily have one number. If there are two different numbers, then we can understand that our sum is, means the answer is wrong. So we this it should be here same number. Example, in 2 bracket here it will come 3 minus 4, and in the other bracket it will come 4 minus 3. So the answer will be wrong, as it should come the same. Means if it is here 3 minus 4, then the other also 3 minus 4. Means we don't need to check that, automatically it will come that. So now let's take an example and solve that. So 1 second, just 1 second. So the example we will take is, the example we are taking is uh, 3x square minus 2x minus 5. So that is it. That is the sum, 3x square. So as I told you, the first step is a multiplied by c. C. So what are the factors of 3? It means we will multiply 3 and 5. So that becomes 15. The second step is the factors of a multiplied by c. A multiplied by c's factors. So what is 15 factors? That means right like in that one. So 1 comma 15. 2 is not there. 3 comma 5. These are the only two factors of 15. And the as I told you, the fourth step, as I told you, the fourth step is the fourth step the fourth step is that we will see, I'll show you here. The first step is that we will check, sorry, the third step is that we will, oh sorry, that was a light cut. The fourth step means the light got automatically closed. So the fourth step is that check which factors of a multiplied by c, which is 15, means in this sum, which factors of them add up to minus 2. So what adds up to minus 2? So 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So we will do 3x square, as I told you, we write here same. Then minus 5 plus 3, and again at the last value, that is minus 5. And now what I told you, oh sorry, I forgot to add here x. X means minus 5x plus 3x. And the last means last thing is that, sorry, last, no, second last thing is we have to pair up, as I told you. Pair up these numbers. In 3x square and 5x square, what is common? Only x. So we will write x bracket 3x minus 5 and plus What is common in 3x and minus 5? 1. Only 1 is common because it is not 5x. It is only 5. So only 1 is common between 3x and minus 5. So we'll write 1 bracket 3x minus 5. So we get the answer. See. Automatically we have got the same number in the bracket. 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5. As I told you that it will always come same. So now we will write that in the final example answer. We will take these two numbers x plus 1 in one bracket. And in the other bracket we will take the number 3x minus 5 as they are common, right? So we'll write only, not don't need to write double, only one time, 3x minus 5. So here's the answer. So isn't it easy, friends? Wasn't it a very easy process? As I told you, the main thing of this thing, I will recap the steps again. The first step is the factors of a and C, means in this sum the A and C are 3 and 5. So, sorry, the factors of the multiplication of A and C. In this sum A and C are 3 and 5. So multiplication of 3 and 5 becomes 15, and the factors of 15 are 1 and 15 and 3 and 15. So the second step was this. The third step is which, means which pair of the factors, means 1 and 15, 3 and 5. We will not write differently at 1, 3, 5, 15. We will make pair. The first and the last, the second and the second last. So 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. So which of these sums, berries or subtraction, adds up to or subtracts up to minus 2? So does 1 minus 15 or 15 plus 1 add up, or 15 minus 1 add up to, or add up to minus 2? No. So does 3 minus 5 or 5 minus 3 doesn't, but 3 minus 5 does. So 3 minus 3, that will become 0, and minus 2, that will become minus 2, and we'll add x in front of that. And the fourth step is we have written the 2 minus 2 in the x, minus 2x in the expanded form, that is minus 5x plus 3x, or plus 3x minus 5x. Anything is okay, but the answer will come the same as we had got. So now we will just write the we'll make pairs of the first two and the last two. First two is 3x to 3x square and minus 5x, and the second is 3x minus 5. So in the and then of that of the first pair we will check what is common in the first pair, and then we will check what is common in the second pair. In the first pair x is common, as 3 is not a factor of 5, so only x is common. So here in x square, so one x will be removed, but the other x will be there. So 3x and minus 5x will be removed, bracket, and other, in the other sum, that is not 5x, so we can't take x as the common. So here only it will, 1 will be common, as when nothing is common in the sum we take 1. So we will just write 3x minus 5. So automatically we know that 3x minus 5 is same in both the brackets. Now we will write x plus 1 and x plus 1 bracket. So outside the brackets is x and 1, so and plus sign is before 1, so x plus 1 bracket, and the next, in the next bracket we will write 3x minus 5 as the common. It is common in both the brackets above, so 3x minus 5. So it will become automatically, when you solve correctly, automatically it will come equal. You don't need to check that whether it is equal or not. On seeing that, you will understand that both are equal without solving. But if in my sum, in 3x minus 5, in one bracket it would be 3x minus 5, and in the other bracket it would be 3x minus 4, then something is wrong in the above steps, as both the brackets will automatically come same. So friends, how was this method to solve the middle term factor? Wasn't it very easy and understandable? Now for now, bye.